Okay, we're here to gotomath.com trying to get something done. Let's click algebra. Let's go down to linear equations, which is barely on the screen, and we need to look at 8.1. Alright, there we go. And we can barely get it on the screen there, it looks like. Find that number. Sounds like a game show. 23 times the number increased by 1 is 15. So there you go. So we want to convert this sentence here into a mathematical equation, right? So we need to kind of know the language. And that means we need to bring up the marker board, and let's do that. Alright, let's get that done. And what are we going to use? I don't know. We'll use blue maybe. Let's do that. So it says 23 times a number. Okay, well I think we all know what 23 is. I think we can all figure out how to write that. So 23 times a number. Now we'll let the number be x. How's that? 23 times a number is increased by 1. And increased means we're going to add 1 to it. And the word is the equal sign, and then obviously 15. Okay, 23 times a number increased by 1, so this is the number. 23 times a number, and that whole thing is increased by 1 is 15. Alright, so then what you want to do is, okay, we need to go ahead and solve for x. So that means we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. So we'll just do that. And so then we have 23x. And of course, plus 1 minus 1 is 0. 15 minus 1 is 14. I think I can do that. And then, of course, the next thing we'll have to do is multiply through by the reciprocal of 23. And that's going to be 1 over 23 to both sides. 1 over 23 to both sides. And so this guy cancels out, right? We're left with a 1 here. Of course, I don't know, I'm writing it there anyway. Now, this number, it's not stated on what the number could be. In other words, the range of this number. And that means that we're just looking at all real numbers. Whoa. And, okay, because this is going to end up being a rational number. Of course, I'm not going to write 1 here. We'll just write x. We finish it up, solving for x here. But that number is 14 over 23, right? This is a rational number. It's a fraction. We call that a rational number. All right. 14 over 23. Now, if the solution says, well, it can only be a natural number, you know what natural numbers are, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe just an integer. Right, then this would have no solution if we were to state that, but the solution could be any number, any real number. Anyway, 14 over 23, and I guess I have to ask the question, will that actually reduce down? And the answer is no. No, that's not reducing down. 14 over 23, let's type that in up here. And hold our breath. Correct. We'll go ahead and click answer. Make sure that's correct also. Okay, so this is an interesting section here, section 8, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, okay, we're over here at gotomath.com. You want to come on by, practice that. Let's click what else you get. Click, click, click. Okay, lots of practice. Anyway, we'll see you there. Bye.